guys, I thought of doing an interesting video today, and it's not usually on the topics that I usually do. This is driving school 2020, and there's an interesting hack for you to get a little bit more money than you do. Speaking of which, so the car I'll be using is the Beth because it's low in power for this task. And you will be going to, let me just see if I remember the place. No, you'll be going to Moscow, and you'll be going to level 1, right? So just wait. Okay, it's a nice place and everything, and turn on your seatbelt, and I'm gonna go over here. Okay, so this is gonna be your main point of intersection. I'm just gonna wait for the light to turn green, and let me just turn that off. Alright, so here's what you're gonna do. You are gonna go here, get a nice speed, and tap on the steering wheel to keep your car moving like this, to keep moving in donuts. That way you just get maximum points. Usually when I do this hack, there's not a lot of traffic in this area, so it is easy to do this hack that includes pedestrians. And the reason why this hack is good is because that light also doesn't go red. None of the lights change and everything. Just change the view for a second. So you'll be staying like this in this motion. You basically do that, and then after getting the amount you want, you can just simply go complete the mission. It's as simple as that. Oh no, my frames are dropping. But yeah, that's a simple hack you can do, and after doing that, you can do it for multiple hours because, like I said, usually the light doesn't change to red. Then you can continue doing the mission. You know, just make sure you get your good points going on. Oh dear, I'm a bad driver. Bad by the laws of the city. Oh, hold on. Speeding. And get your signal working here. Another thing in settings, there is a feature when you can switch off the traffic density. I guess you can turn that off. Where the hell did all these pedestrians come from? But either way, just do the mission nice and slowly. And you're gonna take a turn here. In case you've been doing this for a long time, I mean, you don't necessarily have to go around. There's no point of it going there. So you just need to use your nice turn signal. You will have to choose left to get that extra point, and simply park there. Nice. And the thing is, if you wanted to get even more money, you can watch an ad over there. There's a little ad button for you to, you know, get more money. And yeah, you simply get. From the kid I saw this one, he got millions of bucks by doing this for about an hour or so. So it's easy for him to do this, but it's also easy for you if you just, you know, stick to the procedure. You can use any car you want, just make sure you can handle it nicely. That's why I recommend using this car maybe, because it's not necessarily fast, it's nice to control and everything, so you can use that. That'll be all for today. Something out of the usual. Heck, you can hear my voice, I don't usually do that, but it's great to do this. Catch you in the next video. Like and subscribe, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.